everyone, and welcome back to the Black Panda channel. Today we're going to be looking at Avalanche. We're going to be looking at Avalanche AVAX. So AVAX is a layer 1, coin. So right now I'm on CoinMarketCap. So we're just going to learn a little bit about what Avalanche is before we look at the overall chart. So before we look at the overall chart, we're just going to look at what is Avalanche. So what is Avalanche? Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second, while not compromising scalability. So this is made possible by Avalanche's unique architecture. The Avalanche network consists of 3 individual networks: the X chain, the C chain, and the P chain. Each chain has a distinct purpose, which is radically different from the approach blockchain and Ethereum uses. So that is Avalanche. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain. It's a layer 1 blockchain, so you can build smart contracts on top of it. It's trying to rival Ethereum. So as you can see, its all-time low, which was when it started, was all the way back in December 31st of 2021. So it started basically right at the end of the 2020 bear market, so entering the bull market of 2021. So it was created at the right time 4 years ago, and it reached its all-time high less than a year later on November 2020 on the November the 21st, and the all-time high was $146. We're currently at $28, so we're a bit far from all-time highs, but the all-time high was $146. So let's quickly look at the chart. There's something very interesting happening with the chart for Avalanche. So we are on TradingView. We are on the 4-hour chart, the AVAX chart, Avalanche. So let's quickly see what the chart is telling us. Let's quickly look for levels of support or resistance or any of sort. So we have a level here. It was acting as a resistance on this side. Then we saw breakout to the upside. Now it's acting as a support. Here it was acting as a resistance. Now it's acting as a support. Now let's look at potential resistance level. Okay. So this was our resistance. So this is an example of a falling wedge. Usually a bullish pattern. The wedge trends to the downside, then we break to the upside, then we expect movement to the upside. So at the top of our channel is approximately $65. Between $60 and $65 is the top of this channel, but with a falling wedge, price tends to continue. So let me quickly go on a higher time frame and see if there is any other levels that we should be looking at. Check out a horizontal line. This level right here, the level right here. As you can see, it was acting as a support, then we broke below, broke above again, broke below, then it acted as a resistance here and here, as a resistance here before a breakout to the upside, and it acted as an additional support on our falling wedge. Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. So beautiful pattern for AVAX. Beautiful pattern for AVAX. So what are our price points? What is our price points? What is our price points? So we can easily put our stop loss at approximately $20. That means if you will be longing AVAX from this chart, possibly use a small leverage. From this analysis that we are doing right now, use a small leverage, maybe 5 to 10x. You can make 150% if we reach the top of the channel. So 150% movement is a very nice movement. On 10x leverage, that is 1,500% on your investment. 1,500% on your investment. 1,500% on your investment. Then if you are a more risky trader, we can put a target on maybe let's go back to a bigger time frame to see if there is any levels that we should look at above. Okay, so the first level is obviously 60 to 65. Very strong, very strong resistance up there. Then anything higher, we are going for $100 per AVAX, which is a 284% movement. So the out season is very close. We're inching very close to the out season, and layer 1 coins tend to perform very well during a out season. Layer 1 coins tend to perform very well. Layer 1s perform very well. We saw this all the way back in 2021. As I said, on CoinMarketCap, all the way from 2020 in December, the 31st of December 2020 to the 21st of November 2021, we saw AVAX moving from $3 to $146. That is a very astronomical movement. That is a very good movement. I'm not even sure how much movement it was, but it was a very big movement from $2.80 all the way to $146. So AVAX, can it break all-time highs? There's something that is going on within AVAX that is basically stopping the price from going back to those levels above $100. There's these unlocks. We have unlocks that are happening on AVAX, unlocks. So on the 20th of August in 2024, next month, there will be 9 million AVAX tokens that will be unlocked. That is 1.3% of the supply. 1.3% of the supply. So we need liquidity to absorb. We need liquidity to absorb these coins. And that is one of the reasons why AVAX is sitting on $28 instead of above $50 or above $60, because we are very far from all-time highs. All-time highs, we still have plus minus if we go back to the chart, 2 all-time highs, we will see that we still have approximately a 4 to 5x movement. 2 all-time highs, 4 to 5 all-time highs. That is a 450% movement. 450% movement. That is basically 4.5x from where we are currently. 4.5x. And the reason is, one of the reasons, is because of these unlocks. So after the August unlock, they will be unlocking 9 million AVAX tokens. Then the supply is 1.13. So that is 4 allocations at once. 4 at once. So we have airdrops, they'll be airdropping. Then strategic partners will get some. Then the foundation will also get some. Then the team will also get some coins. So that is one of the things that is hindering AVAX from going any higher. Then in November there are going to be 1.6 million released. February of next year 1.6. May of 2025 also 1.6. When they're really releasing 1.6 million tokens, that is a little bit better because it is 0.23% of the allocation, and it is going to the foundation of the Avalanche protocol. So Avalanche, it has DeFi, you can do smart contracts. It offers a lot. It offers a lot. Reward assets, layer one. You can basically platform Avalanche ecosystem. It offers quite a lot. So the chart is promising. From where things are, chart is very, very promising. I do expect a leg up. I do expect a move to the upside after this beautiful falling wedge at the top of the channel. First take profit should be the 60 area, and that is 130% movement. 130% movement. So you can get some AVAX, stack up some AVAX, and maybe we might see all-time highs in 2024 or maybe early 2025. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope it was insightful for everyone that watched to the end. I hope you got some insightful information. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and yeah, catch you on the next one.